In this video, I wanted to show you all how I make my videos, from the lighting, the camera, the editing tools, and much more. So let's get into it. So starting off with the lighting, and of course I have my ceiling fan light, which actually has two smart bulbs in it. And I got these smart bulbs from Amazon. They're from the company Light, and they were only a few bucks each. And I have to say that for the price, they're really good. But moving away from the basic lighting, I also have this light strip or panel or whatever you want to call it, right behind my monitor. My grandma gave it to me and I love it. Now, it's pretty basic, it doesn't have the ability to change color or anything like that, but I ended up plugging it into a smart plug because I really like the ability to simply tell to turn my workspace on. So yeah, that's my lighting, and while it isn't anything fancy, it does the job, and I like it a lot. But I will say I'm eyeing another piece of lighting equipment on Amazon, so stay tuned. Moving on to the audio and video. It's pretty basic, I literally just use my phone, and it does the job just fine. And honestly, I think the next time I buy a new camera will be the next time I buy a new phone. Oh, and if you're wondering what stand I use to record my videos on, I actually mentioned it in length on my desk setup video I did a bit ago. So if you want to see that video, I'll link it in the description right below the like button. And finally, the editing. Now, when I first started this channel, I used iMovie, then I decided to start editing on the Clips app, but then when Final Cut for iPad came out, I had to try it, and I love it. So that's why I've been doing all of my editing on since it came out. The only thing I hate about Final Cut for iPad is that it's a monthly subscription of $5, which to me is a bit overkill. And I will typically record my audio and video separately because I'm no pro at this and it's too much on my brain to worry about making sure I'm in the center of the frame and to talk at the same exact time. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was everything you expected it to be. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more tech content. I'll see you all in the next one.